2-litre EcoBlue engine, front wheel drive, cranking no start. Let's see what we find. First thing, I always scan it for codes. We've got a air intake system leak, turbocharger, underboost. These two are my biggest concern. Crankshaft, camshaft correlation. Just a timely reminder when you're diagnosing air intake codes, if the timing is out, the engine isn't breathing, the PCM isn't seeing what it wants to, and it could set a code like that. I'm picking that this is broken a cam belt or shed teeth off, so we'll start pulling it to bits. I think there's no point doing a compression test. I'm pretty confident that we're going to have a failure. We've got one quick crank for you guys. Bit of compression there, but yeah, maybe we'll compression test it. Quick and dirty. I just use my Hantek 650 current clamp and a scope. Here's a relative compression test showing good compression. We'll see why in a second. Just draining oil. Those look suspiciously like cam belt teeth. Typically had to make up my own puller for a harmonic balancer, but working like a champ. Time to look at some of the damage. Got the front timing cover off. Yeah, missing a few teeth. Let's see what sort of damage we got under here. Well, not as much damage as I expected. Everything actually looks like it's intact, but I'm going to have to go through all these rockers one by one and give it another little compression test now. I was very lucky. We've only got 2 smashed rockers. You can see they're just fucking broken there. All the rest are good. Just took off the sump. Found the rest of the cam belt teeth. And took off the oil pickup. And there's a lot of stuff in there. So here we are at the end of the journey. Got the camshaft all timed back up. Everything put back together. And yeah, got the fuel pressure bled up, oil pressure bled up. And fire straight up. Easy as that.